Welcome to this technical guide on the Bolun Ji-Disco. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Bolun Ji-Disco won't turn on, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can stem from various factors such as a faulty power supply or internal component failure. If left unchecked, this problem could lead to further damage, rendering your device unusable. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to identify and fix the issue. For this repair, you will need a small screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, and possibly some replacement components. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any tiny screws or parts. To begin, ensure your Bolun Ji-Disco is unplugged from any power source. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the casing. Start at one corner and gently work your way around the device to avoid damaging the clips that hold it together. Once you have the casing open, take a look inside. The component you are likely dealing with is the power supply unit, which is usually located near the power input. Check for any visible signs of damage like burnt components or loose connections. If you spot any, it will be time to replace it. To extract the faulty component, take note of the screws holding it in place. Use the appropriate screwdriver to remove them, being careful not to apply too much force as this could damage surrounding areas. Disconnect any cables attached to the power supply unit gently, ensuring you remember their placement for reassembly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've replaced the component with a new one, reconnect all cables securely and reattach the screws. Make sure everything is snug, but be careful not to over-tighten them. After replacing the component, it's vital to close the casing properly. Align the clips and press down gently until you hear them click into place. Finally, plug in your Bolun Ji-Disco and turn it on to check if the repair has been successful. If it powers up, congratulations! You've just saved yourself some money and learned a new skill. To prevent this issue from happening again, ensure that your Bolun Ji-Disco is kept in a dry and stable environment. Regularly check the power supply for any signs of wear and tear, and avoid overloading the device with excessive use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.